Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for western Perry County, Missouri until 10 p.m. At 9:02 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Junction City or near Fredericktown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following effects are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Perryville around 9:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lithium and Silver Lake. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 128 and 139. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Perry, Missouri.